Let's make some henna jagua paste, or Hengua paste, as they say. We're going to start off by using 65 grams of jagua powder and 102 grams of henna powder. Then add your sugar, and I added 40 grams with an additional 26 grams to this mixture, and mix it up. You want to mix up all your dry ingredients together, and then add in your water slowly and gradually. I added in 1.5 cups of water for this mixture, and for essential oil I used 54 milliliters of water. I left that in a heated area, so I put it underneath the lamp, and I put a plastic covering on it for dye release, and this is how it looks the next day. So luscious, beautiful, and thick like it is. And then you're gonna mix it up, and because I want to preserve it, I added in about 3 cupfuls of lemon juice, and there you have it. That was all that I used. I mixed it up well, and then I applied some paste onto my foot. This is the first day stain, and then this is the next day stain. This is a great option, especially if you have a client with a dark skin or for belly blessing.